Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and I'm always talking about spending time on the ground and how good it is for you, for your longevity or the quality of your life. And you do want to spend a lot of time on the ground because on the ground is where you build your stability and your mobility. And when you have your stability and your mobility, your body will allow you to express your strength. So you have a lot of strength that's naturally inside of you, and when you're able to have access to your strength, life is just better. Things are just easier. So it is really worth it to spend a little bit of time every day just exploring how you can move on the ground. So today I'm going to show you another way to explore how you can move. This one's kind of fun. It's great for hip mobility, foot mobility, ankle mobility, and just ability. So what we're going to do is we're going to get on all fours, and we're going to do from here, we're going to do a lower body roll and come around to sitting, and then we're going to get over our body, get on all fours, and go back. Then we're going to reverse it. So we're back to all fours. So again, we're on all fours. We do a lower body roll to sitting. We go over our body to all fours. This is great for your toes, your feet, your ankles, your hips, your knees, and then we come back. So to face you, I'm going to do it this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking my foot, reaching behind me, and I'm actually trying to point my foot that way. And then I end up on my bum. And then I'm going to get over my bum and come back. And then I'm driving my hand, now this is an upper body roll from sitting, back to all fours, right? So just so you can see it from this angle, I'm taking this foot and trying to point it towards you, and then I get over my body to all fours, I come back, and now I'm gonna do an upper body roll back to all fours. So that's the drill. You're simply going from here, you do a lower body roll to face the other way, you get over your body, rock forward, come back, and then come back to here. This is fun, and it feels really good. So obviously don't force anything, but move where your body will let you move. If you can't get down as low as I can, that's okay. If you can't get your foot all the way pointing that way when you roll, if you can only get it pointing that way, that's okay. Just adjust and get your body in a position that you can move from. Just learn where your body will let you move and engage it. And the more you engage it and the more you learn, the more your body will actually start to give you. Basically, the more time you spend on the ground, the more access you will have to your strength and your abilities. Anyway, give that a shot. It's really fun to do. Feels really good. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.